Activity 10.4, Triangle Congruence, will look at properties of triangles, angles, and sides. And we only need 3 sets to conclude that 2 triangles are congruent. When they're congruent, they're going to have the same side measurements and the same angle measurements. So you have an example right here of 2 triangles, triangle ABC and DEF. So it shows us that angle A is congruent to angle D. So we would mark that with 1 arc. Angle B is congruent to angle E. We're going to mark that one with 2 arcs. This shows that in the 2 triangles, those are the corresponding angles that are congruent. And then angle C is congruent to angle F. We don't need to know the exact measurements. We just need to know which corresponding angles are congruent in the 2 triangles. Side AB is congruent to side DE. AC is congruent to DF, and BC is congruent to EF. So this is how we mark the corresponding parts. To explore our congruence properties of triangles, we're going to do an activity in GeoGebra. So you want to type in this bit.ly link right here and go to the different tasks. So I'm going to do that and pause our recording so I can show you what it looks like in GeoGebra. Okay, for task 1, we have 3 pairs of congruent sides. And you have 1 triangle, 3, 5, and 6, that is static. The second triangle, we want to know if we know the 3 sides are congruent, can I match up these points to make the triangles congruent? And it looks like I can. I can verify that by showing that the angles and sides are going to be the same. I know it doesn't look exactly the same, but you'll have to take my word on it for this one. I can show you another activity in a little bit where you can actually measure it. So for this one, I'm going to go back to the notes. I'm going to say, yes, this is a congruence property, and then I'm going to sketch these 2 triangles. So in the activity, I sketched both of the triangles, marking the sides, I'm marking the angles, and then I circled, yes, side, side, side is a congruence property. So if you know that 3 corresponding sides are the same in 2 triangles, you can conclude that the 2 triangles are congruent and the 3 corresponding angles are also congruent, which I also marked in these triangles. There are several more tasks, 6 more. So 7 total to do for you to figure out. And I can tell you right now that 5 of them are going to be yes, 2 of them are going to be no. So this is what you need to complete activity 10 for.